Today we're covering when to seal your driveway. Signs it's time. Here's what you need to know. Learn the signs your concrete driveway needs sealing, typical costs, 0.50 to 2 per square feet, and why timing matters. Protect your investment today. Quick answer: seal your concrete driveway every 2 to 3 years, or when water stops beading on the surface. Signs include fading color, chalking, water pooling, and cracks. Costs range 0.50 to 2.00 per square foot and protect against frost damage, staining, and spalling, extending driveway life 5 to 10 years. Your driveway is one of the hardest working concrete surfaces on your home. It endures freeze-thaw cycles, salt spray, UV exposure, and thousands of tire passes each year. Yet many homeowners overlook a simple maintenance step that costs less than dinner out but prevents thousands in repairs: sealing. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post explains when to seal your driveway, what signs indicate urgency, and how to protect your investment for years to come. Moving on to signs your driveway needs sealing. Concrete doesn't fail overnight. It deteriorates gradually through water infiltration, freeze-thaw cycles, and oxidation. Learning to spot early warning signs means you can seal before costly damage develops. Water pooling and poor absorption. Pour a small amount of water on your driveway in a few spots. If it beads up and rolls off, the existing sealer is still active. If water soaks in or pools without draining, the sealer has failed and resealing is urgent. This is the single most reliable indicator of sealer breakdown. Fading and color loss. UV rays degrade both concrete pigment and sealer. A driveway that has faded from rich gray to pale, chalky gray usually has lost its protective coating. Fading accelerates in sun-exposed areas and is cosmetic until combined with water absorption. Then structural damage begins. Chalking and powder residue. Run your hand across the driveway surface. If a white or gray powder transfers to your palm, the sealer and top layer of concrete are oxidizing. This chalking is harmless cosmetically, but signals that the sealer is no longer blocking UV and moisture penetration. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, surface degradation accelerates once oxidation begins, making prompt resealing cost-effective. Cracks, spalling, and pitting, small hairline cracks, less than 1/16 inch, are normal. Cracks wider than 1/4 inch, especially if they're growing, indicate water infiltration beneath the slab. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.